So now we're gonna do some DAX, right? We're gonna create some DAX calculations. So first of all, we need to, go to modeling, all right, new table, and then we're gonna create a new table based on the other table. So we can do that, right? And I have a code over here. I'm just gonna copy it right now. Okay, again, modeling, new table. So this table will reference the other table, right? Reference the other table. So we'll do like that. So I'll create a salesperson, then this salesperson reference to this salesperson performance. Okay. Now we have this. So we have a symbol like that. So switch to model view and notice that the salesperson table is available, and you may need to reset view and find table. Okay, now that I switch to model view, I notice that the salesperson table is available. So I'm gonna switch to model view. Then I can see, right, the salesperson table is here. Alright, so I want to create a relationship. Salesperson employee key. Alright, let's do in. Okay, salesperson employee key to is the sales. Okay, so I'm gonna salesperson employee key to sales, just like that. Employee key to employee key. Okay, save. Right click in active relationship between the salesperson and the sales, and I select delete. So I'm gonna select. Okay, I'm gonna delete this right now. Okay, so now that I created this table, I don't need the table to have a relationship anymore. Okay, so in the sales multi, select the color and then it's hidden. Okay, so now I need to hide some of the unwanted columns, right? Hide this, and hide this, and then go to property. I can put it hidden. Okay, in the model view, select the salesperson table. Enter salesperson related to its sales, just like that. Okay, so for the salesperson table, set the description of salesperson related to region. This is related to region, so this is what salesperson performance. Okay, just like that. So in the table view on the home ribbon, include the calculations group, select new table. So again, switch to table view, which is over here. Okay, this is the table view. Then I'm gonna create a new table. Then we're gonna create something, over here. Right? We're gonna create this new calendar thing. So I'm gonna close down calendar. This will auto generate a calendar for us. Okay, as you can see. Notice that the column int that is mmddyy. Okay, and then we have this total number of columns. Okay, so over here I'm going to create a new column, right? Okay, I can't do that. Right, I need to go here, here. So it will create the year column for me. Okay, like this. So after I create the year, so basically this formula here shows, okay, it shows that year, YR, and right, the year, the date, right, this is date, right, the year part only. Okay, if month of the date is more than 6, then 1. So what it means is this, right? I'm going to scroll it down and see, do we have it? So the date, okay, the year, okay, so this year, if more than 6 equals a month, meaning if it is 2024, right, at the month of July, it will be year 2025. Okay, easy. Okay, so use a snippet code again here. Okay, create another new column. Okay, so basically it refers to this date, year, and Q. Okay, so you see that if the month, right, is smaller than 3, it's 3. If it's not smaller than 3, it's smaller than 6, then it's 4. Right? It is smaller than 9, then it's 1. Else it will be 2. Okay. Very simple enough. The way the calculation switch to report view, so I'm going to switch to report view. And then I'm going to create a new page. And then I'm going to add some visualization, which is a matrix. Then I'm going to drag the year to the row. Okay. Then we can, let's see. Okay, I haven't finished it, right? Okay, I need to do a few more. Okay, year, quarter, month. Okay, so this year, quarter, month, okay, year, quarter, month, alright, then so I'm going to drag the month field beneath this year. So the month and beneath the year. So then I'm going to drill down and see. Okay, at the bottom top of matrix, bottom depend. Select the fog will expand all the year down on one level. So you can see everything is here. Right? Notice that the sorting is wrong. Okay, so we need to add a month key to sort it properly. Okay, so I'm going to go to, right, I'm going to create a month key. So what it does is this, right? So I'm just going to use the year times 100 plus the month. So it's the month will always be 2 digits. So if I times 100, then I'll add it, will be year month, right? Year month. So in there I have one key right now. Okay, so switch back to report now. Okay, then I'm going to go to the column 2. So I'm going to select the month, and then I can sort by the month key. So it will sort out, and it will become, ta-da! Okay, no problem. Right, complete the date table. So switch to model view again. Okay, hide the month key. So I'm gonna hide it by right click. I'm gonna hidden. On the data right hand side of the date, let's select the year. So I'm gonna select create a hierarchy, and then I'm gonna call it fiscal. Then I'm gonna go and do this quarter, month, apply changes. Then we'll create relationships, right? Dates to sales, date to target month. So date to sales, date to target month. Date to all the date. Then one more, date to target month. Okay, then we're gonna hide the following. Okay, since I already have all my information needed here, I don't need this order date and month anymore. Alright, so I'm gonna go to, okay, sales, order date. I'm going to hide it. Okay, then target month, I don't need anymore since I already have a relationships over here. I hide it. So yeah, so mark in the task, you will mark the date table as date table. So switch to model view, switch to report view. Okay, and the date, select the date table. Then on the table 2, mark as date table. What's date table? Select date, save. So now understand that this table defines date time. This desirable for a date table is suitable when you don't have a date table. If you have a data warehouse, it will be appropriate to load the data from its date dimension rather than redefine that logic. Alright. So now this is date. So we can do that. Okay, we can do that. We can make sure that we have a date. So in the report view, page 2, okay, date banner, draw sales, unit price. I'm just gonna take it. There we have the unit price of each month. Okay, in the visualizations, here it's average, right? It's average, right? So this is average. So to create a measure in the table, right click the sales table, create new measure. So I want to create an average price. Okay, so instead of having this, I can create a measure which is not referred to the column. Okay, so in order to do that, I'm gonna copy the code. This code right here calculates, right? New measure. Okay, average price. Okay, so after that, I need to remove it, then replace it. So remove it and use this. Then it will give you the average price. Exactly, it's easy as that. Okay, so I just need to put to the same place. Okay, just like that. So to use a snippet for to create all these things. So I'm gonna spam create all these things. So pretty much very straightforward. Okay. So medium is you could get the medium unit price, max minimum maximum to get the maximum unit price. Okay. Orders. So I can count the number of orders as well. Right? How many orders I have. Distinct count. Choose all the number, so I will get distinct number of orders. Right? Distinct. Okay. They have order line, count rows, sales. This is where, you know, this is total sales, right? It's not distinct anymore. Okay. So distinct function. Okay, we count all this once. You know, we can count rows, measure the operate this. In this case, the number of orders is calculated by counting the distinct. Or the number of order line is simply the number of row table each row line has an order. Alright. So switch to model view. We're gonna put all this to a table. Like average price. Okay, max price, medium price. Okay. Minimum price. So I have a display. What here be pricing. So it will group into pricing to easy source it out and hide unit price. Okay. And go to the unit price and hide it. Okay. Since I don't need this anymore. Okay. Because I already have all that I need. Okay. Then multi select. Okay. So this right, the order. Okay. The order line we used to count, right? As the count. So just like that. So in the report view, in the visual, in the values of the matrix of the unit price, select X to remove it. So I'm gonna go to report view right now. Okay. So unit price, no more unit price. So okay, so after that I need to add everything. Okay, the one that I created. So I can gonna increase the size a bit, alright? Increase the size a bit. Okay. Just increase the visual, so I don't have to do anything. So I'm gonna go to medium price, minimum, max orders, and orders line. So in these orders I get so much order lines. Okay, so one orders can have multiple products, that's why it has a lot of order lines. So the average price will be this at this month. Okay, so this is just to get the unit price data, doesn't really have helps. Let's go to here. Okay, I have a target, select table, then remove target. Okay, I'm gonna remove target. Okay, so I'm gonna remove, I already remove it, right? So the target amount. Okay, already done. Okay, this is already done for us. Then I'm going to create this. So what is all here? Okay, basically it's the same. Okay, so it will create a measure, right? Has one value, so it's a percent sum. So if the value is the same percent, it will sum that target, right? So the has one value function tests whether a single value in 6% is filtered. When true, right, the expression returns the sum of total for just that filter. When false, blank is returned. Okay, format the target measure for 0 decimal place. So tick 0. Okay, the height this. I don't need this anymore. So right click. Height. Okay. Add the target measure. Okay, to here. So what it does is this, alright? So if there's only one single value, then you have value. Okay, so it's multiple the total, it'll be gone, right? Makes sense, right? It does make sense. Okay, so I am gonna create these two. Okay, variance and variance margin. Okay. So format the variance to 0, then format variance margin to percentage rate to decimal place. So we're going to go to percentage rate to decimal place. Perfect. Then I'm going to pull it up. Then you will see okay, so what's the code saying? So again, then sales minus target. So I still haven't reached my target. Right? How much further away from the target that I haven't reached? This is what it does. Okay, and then in terms of percentage. So in terms of percentage, just divide by simple. Okay, simple. So we can see the denominator is in front, the numerator is in right behind. Okay, so now if I collapse and collapse, okay, so target is now at the top. Target complete only visible measures are automatically. So if you have all the visible measures, right? If you only have measures and no columns, it will straight away come at the top. Okay, just like that. Easy.